Alright guys, so this has been a full week of me testing out this vegan cheddar flavored cheese from www.judysglutenfree.com. It's vegan and gotta tell you, I really thought it was weird to begin with because you got it in powdery form and stuff like that, but it goes really well with pancakes, goes really well with all kinds of beans and other things that I cook. And yeah, I survived a whole week on it. It seems to be healthy enough and extremely yummy. The flavor is good. I can't really say that it tastes exactly like cheddar cheese. It feels more like those grated cheeses, maybe even Parmesan cheese. So I don't know. I'm not a connoisseur of cheeses, but what I'll tell you is that it's really good. I like it. And I can definitely recommend this product. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Big shout out to Judy's Gluten Free, and I'll see you in the next one.